Hi everybody, I'm in Spain. I'm going to show you a little looky around. It's a bit of a view. I'll walk over here. Very cool. So at the moment I'm at Paul Bradford's place and I'm filming some tutorials for cake flicks, which is really exciting. So I filmed my first one today and I'm going to film another one tomorrow, which is really cool. Such a spin out to actually be here in Spain. I mean, look at that's Spain. So it's been a really whirlwind trip so far, so I haven't really had much time to do a video diary or anything like that, but just wanted to try and catch up with you now and say, like this is an amazing trip, and there's a horse. Amazing trip of a lifetime. I'm doing so much stuff. I'm teaching, I'm seeing amazing places, I'm meeting amazing people, spending time with great cake friends and meeting new ones and everything like that. And it's just blows my mind to know that cake has taken me around the world basically. So I'm still in Spain until Friday, which is really cool. So I'm going to get to see a little bit more before I leave, which is really nice. Paul and David are showing me around everywhere, which is really cool, and they're great hosts. So that's awesome. So if you haven't checked out Cake Flicks, you better go and check out Cake Flicks because I'll have 2 tutorials on there really soon. But apart from that, Paul's amazing. He's a great teacher. He's got great content on there. They're fabulous. It's a great business. You should really get behind it and support it. And I'd love it if you jumped on and watched my tutorials and let me know what you think. That would be great. And on Friday, I'm going somewhere super special that I've wanted to go for so many years. I'm going to Paris. So I can't wait to film some videos there. And there's going to be one in front of the Eiffel Tower. Yep, you know it. So can't wait for that. Hope you tune in again soon. Thank you to all the new YouTube subscribers as well. We've hit over 3,000 now, which is really cool. I know that sounds small compared to other people, but it's a cool milestone for me and I'll take it. And I'll thank you all very, very much for jumping on and supporting me and enjoying the tutorials and being so supportive and your comments and everything like that. And if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you jump on and do that as well. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye from Spain and the horse.